What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja. On this Good Friday, it is Easter officially. Happy Easter, everyone. Whether you celebrate the holiday or not, I hope you guys have a good time. Today's video is going to be short to the point because your boy needs some rest. So, what we're going to be talking about is a conversion rate optimization consultant. And you'll be working for a company called Conversion Rate Experts. So anyone who's in the space of marketing, online sales, websites, landing pages, all that jazz, if you're trying to sell a product or service online, then they want people to visit their websites. But not only that, they want people to visit their websites and purchase. So a conversion is pretty much a visiting customer who takes out their credit card and pays. So they were converted from a visitor to a customer. Because at the end of the day, if you're not making money, then your business is irrelevant. That's what businesses are for, to make profit. Let's not pussyfoot around this. That's really all you're in business for, is to make money. Mind you, there are other benefits that different people might have. Maybe they want to be in business to create jobs, but if you're not making money to pay the bills and do all that stuff, then the business is going to die, right? So they want conversions. So they want someone to optimize their conversion rate, increase, improve, account to it, whatever the case is. They want someone to increase the rate of purchases. And there are several ways to do that, but we're not necessarily going to go into all of those details today. And of course, today is the 15th of April, 2022, and it is currently 9:46 a.m. This video will be live on YouTube at midday. So let's jump into it. It's a full-time role, it's a sales and marketing role, and you can work from anywhere in the world. So they say join our remote working, highly paid team, and get to improve the world's best websites. And by the way, if you don't know what a landing page is, it's literally the page you land on when you click a particular link. There are many marketers out there who don't have full-blown websites, but they have a landing page. So let's say you're reading a blog and someone is talking about their experience with a particular headphone. You'll see that there's a link about the headphone. So maybe the wording headphone is in a different color. You click it, a simple page pops up, maybe an article or something. That's generally a landing page. Okay? So do you aspire to create the world's best websites and influence the future of the web? My dog says yes, he does. Awesome, I hope you do too. Seek to apply your skills and know-how to projects that reward exceptional performance. Want to collaborate with a team that challenges, encourages, and supports you to do the best work of your life? To yearn freedom, autonomy, mastery, and work-life balance, and never have to return to an office. Never have to return to an office. Conversion rate experts might be the place for you. The top 5 reasons our team members joined us, according to them. 1, you can work from anywhere in the world you choose. We're looking for the very best people, so we won't be restricted by your location. We won't expect you to visit clients either, so you can spend the whole day doing productive work and the whole evening with your loved ones. 2, collaborate with prestigious clients. Imagine what it will feel like to lead projects for companies like Amazon, Apple, Google, Facebook, and Dropbox. 3, we pay considerably more than most other agencies because we know that one brilliant mind is worth 100 mediocre ones. 4, learn to be the best in the world. We'll reveal every secret we've ever discovered about growing web businesses. You get to be entrepreneurial, but without the risk. You'll receive regular mentoring and training designed to optimize your performance, time, and income. You'll also have the freedom to use the latest technology as well as the budget to work with the best vendors in the world. 5, extremely collaborative culture. Pretty much every newcomer expresses surprise at how helpful and sharing our team is. If you'd like to discover more about what it's like to work with us, here's an article about our culture. And this is what I was talking about, where you have links This is an example. Okay. It's the most revealing article we've ever published and is well worth a read if you're considering joining our team. About the role. Join our team of experts, designers, copywriters, and entrepreneurs who are responsible for delivering amazing and measurable results for our clients. We're looking for web marketers with a proven track record of growing online businesses. You'll provide our clients with the following: strategic advice, research and ideas to measurably grow their businesses, production-ready content, so that's both user-friendly and persuasive, unbiased technology recommendations, highly professional project management, and leadership. Now, we understand that you may already have clients or projects of your own, and that's fine. So pretty much they're saying, you could have a side hustle as well, even though you're working for this company. But please mention this in your application if that is the case. Some of our team members have the freedom of being self-employed, although this does mean you'll manage your own taxes and home office expenses. Now, if you're interested but not sure if you're qualified, apply anyways. So if you're interested and you're not sure if you actually qualify, still apply. We have loads of experience recognizing talent, and at the very least, the application process will reveal the skills we believe are valuable. More details are available at conversionrateexperts.com/careers/. So everyone is welcome here. You can be yourself and feel you belong. So they're striving to make CRE an environment where everyone can shine and thrive. We do not discriminate, we uphold and celebrate our differences. In many respects, our team is diverse. Our team members are in 7 countries, speak 5 languages, and have a fantastic array of backgrounds, experiences, and personal challenges. Still, we are committed to becoming much better. Please know that you're welcome and can be yourself here. Fortunately, diversity is key to our company's success, our clients, and their customers. They differ in their languages, pronouns, racial identities, ages, passions, beliefs, neurodiversities, accessibility requirements, family circumstances, and social needs. Without diversity, inclusivity, and empathy, we would not be able to gain the understanding we need to grow our clients' business. So, if you're interested but not sure you qualify, hit this button. When the page pops up, fill out the application form, submit. Oh, remember to press the captcha button. If there's a captcha button, press that to show that you're not a robot, and then submit. All right? And then you're well on your way to hopefully working for Conversion Rate Experts as, conversion rate optimization consultant. So that's it. If you're interested in other ways of making money online and not necessarily a conversion rate expert position, check the links in the description below. Okay, check the links below. Like, share, subscribe, comment. What else is there? Consider subscribing, liking this video, sharing it with all your friends, especially since it seems as if they're willing to train you and work with you, and they pay higher than all the other agencies in the industry, or most other agencies. And comment, let me know where you're watching from, and let me know if any of my videos have helped you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.